Welcome to Barcelona, a captivating city that effortlessly blends rich history, stunning architecture and vibrant culture. Located along the northeastern coast of Spain, this cosmopolitan hub is renowned for its unique artistic heritage, most notably the masterpieces of Antoni Gaudí, including the glamorous Casa Batlló and Casa Mila. Let me start our journey with Bunkers del Carmel. It is a hidden gem in Barcelona that offers some of the most breathtaking panoramic views of the city. These former anti-aircraft bunkers were built during the Spanish Civil War in the 1930s. Today, they serve as a popular viewpoint and a peaceful escape from the bustling city below. Getting a coffee and a snack at the famous La Rambla street. The tree-lined boulevard is dotted with cafes, restaurants and shops as we find Market La Boqueria, where the aromas of fresh produce and local delicacies tantalize the senses. We couldn't resist trying the local churros and freshly squeezed fruit cocktails. After spending some time at the Barceloneta waterfront, we found ourselves at the Castle de Montjuïc, where a huge surprise was about to happen. Starting our next day, strolling through Park Guell, we encountered the famous Serpentine bench adorned with vibrant ceramic tiles, offering stunning views of the city. The park's entrance features a striking gingerbread-like gatehouse, which adds to the fairy tale atmosphere. The lush gardens, winding pathways, and playful sculptures create a magical environment that invites exploration and relaxation. It is all a reflection of Gaudí's philosophy of integrating architecture with nature. now for the moment we've all been waiting for. La Sagrada Familia is the Barcelona's most iconic landmark and a masterpiece of modernist architecture designed by the renowned architect Antoni Gaudí. Construction of this masterpiece began in 1882 and continues to this day, making it a unique work in progress that reflects Gaudí's innovative vision and dedication to his craft. On our last day, we took a boat trip, and here comes the time to thank everyone that made this holiday a memorable one. Barcelona promises an unforgettable experience filled with memorable sights, sounds and flavors. Whether you're soaking in the art, enjoying the beaches, or indulging in the local cuisine, Barcelona is a city that captivates the heart and soul of every traveler. That is all from me today, and I will see you in the next one.